This is the Goose-Grip chassis light. This is the very first Goose-Grip super articulating chassis light that is able to be powered by the snap-on 14.4 volt battery. And this is the very first one of many. It's the first one that was just assembled and will be on the website for sale. The regular price of the Milwaukee version and the DeWalt version is $199. This version is $15 more. A lot more work to build that battery housing and wire it to handle the snap-on 14.4 battery. But this one is ready to be sold and shipped. It's a beautiful light. It has a lifetime warranty. I don't care how many times you break it or how you break it, I'll fix it for free, forever. The only thing I am not paying for, it's not negotiable either, is if you have to ship the light to me to fix it, you're paying shipping both ways. The cost of the parts is going to be on me, but I'm not paying shipping. The light comes as you see it. The other two lights, if you deplete the battery charge, it comes with a power cable and you can power it off the vehicle battery. But the snap-on 14.4 volt cannot be powered with the vehicle battery. The voltage would be slightly too low and the light will be extremely dim. In some cases it might not even turn on. But it's a gorgeous light. It's built brutal. And this is ideal for working in a wheel well, if you're doing brakes, or particularly it was made for being under the car. If the car is up on a lift, you're able to take the genuine vice grip and clamp it to anything under there. It can be an exhaust pipe, like up to like 3 1/8 inches. It can be a frame rail. It can be a control arm. Anything. And of course this will bend in all kinds of shapes, and the light stick itself has 360-degree rotation like an airplane propeller and like a ballerina. It's the same light as the other two that we sell with Milwaukee power and DeWalt power. This is just the first one that's snap-on. So if you're that guy that buys all snap-on power tools and you started buying their 14.4 some years ago and you still have your ratchet and your drill and you're still using 14.4 volts and you still have the charger, buy the light. This light's $214.99 plus shipping. It'll be on the website shortly. Anyway, that's it. Goosegrip.com. This is the first one. Get it before it's sold. It will be serial number 1 of the snap-on line. Anyway, I'm out.